Hi, welcome back. So today I'll be explaining entity relationship diagram using visual paradigm. So this is the variant which I have chosen, variant 2. So you can see the different entities like students, courses offered, courses scheduled, student course registrations, etc. connected by different relationships like one to many, many to one, etc. So we will be drawing this diagram using visual paradigm. So this is how visual paradigm looks like. First, you have to click on the diagram navigator and go to database modeling, wherein you can click the entity relationship diagram. So if you right click this, you have the option called new entity relationship diagram. So you can click on that and you can see a page like this. So first you have to bring the different entities here. So for that we just have to drag and drop the entity here. So first entity is students. So I'll expand this a bit. So student is having different attributes. So in order to add that attributes, click on new column. Right click and click on new column. So first one is student underscore ID. Then just click enter. Next is gender. Next is first date of birth. Next is first name, middle name, etc. So you can fill all the attributes here. So first name, you can change the data type here. So this should be worker. Again, this should be worker. So you have to change the data types accordingly. So if you don't want it, you can just delete it. Yes. So next one is courses offered. So in that you have course offering ID. So click on new column. Next is course offering name. Next is other course offering details. So you can see here that student ID in students table is a primary key. So in order to set that to primary key, right click on student ID and click on including primary key. Similarly, course offering ID, right click on that and click on including primary key. You can delete this. Yes. So now we got the two attributes with primary keys and everything set up. So next is courses scheduled. Then you have inside that attributes course schedule ID. Next is course offering ID. Next is other course schedule details. So in this course schedule ID is the primary key. So click on that and click on including primary key. And now we have to have a one-to-many relationship between courses offered and courses scheduled. So for that, you have to click right here and then you can see this is the one-to-many relationship. So when you click here, here you can see one-to-many relationship. So just click there and give the destination shape name. So that is course scheduled. So if you just type here and click here. So since you have one-to-many relationship, you need to have a foreign key here. So the courses offering ID is the primary key in the courses offered, and that is going to be the foreign key here. So click on course offering ID. Click on apply and OK. So now you can see that course offering ID is marked as foreign key. So you have the relationship also one-to-many. Now we will add this entity student course registrations. So we have student ID and course schedule ID. So we can see that it is both primary key and the student ID is both primary key and foreign key, and course schedule ID is also both primary key and foreign key. So first we will bring the relationship from students to here. So click on students and click on one-to-many, and that is students course registrations. So a student ID in the students table is the primary key, and you have to set the foreign key here. So click on student ID. Click on OK. So now this is the foreign key here, but that's again a primary key also. So click on that and click as including primary key. So now it is both primary key and foreign key. If you don't want this, just delete that. Similarly, we have to connect course schedule to student course registrations. So click here, one-to-many and student course registration. So course schedule ID is the primary key in the courses scheduled. So we have to have the primary key, foreign key here. So just click on the drop down, click on course schedule ID, click on apply and OK. So that's also a foreign key now. Now in order to make it as a primary key also, click on including primary key. So this is how we use visual paradigm to create entity relationship diagrams. So similarly, you have to add all these other entities and make the relationships between these different entities using the option here and using the different entities from here. So that's all about visual paradigm. Thank you.